The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, FWD, child safety rear door locks, interior lighting kit, airbags, brake assist, cargo area light, tachometer, ventilated front disc brakes, carpeting, outside temperature gauge, halogen headlamps, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel, body color bumpers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.